So what I'm doing today is the rear shocks on the car. So I got the car jacked right now. As you can see, I got the jack underneath along with the stand and the stand both at the same time. This helps for additional support, so if the jack falls, the stand is there to support it. Now some people have a long bar to take the wheels off. Myself, I got a ratchet socket and I got an old table leg I use as leverage. This is what it looks like. Some of you guys are going to say, well, hey, this guy needs a rear set of brakes as well. But here, I'll show you. There's still some pad left there on both sides, both inner and outer. Alright, so my pads are good for now. The rotors are like that because the rear brakes were seized. So I fixed the calipers last week. Should have taken a video on that, but I'll do one on caliper maintenance when I do get the brake job done. For now, we're doing the shock. So here's what I got here. You got the upper bolt here, and then you got the lower bolt, and that's it. And the reason I supported the beam underneath is because it's good to it helps to compress the shock in to take it out. So it makes it a lot easier to get it out. Whereas if the shock was extended, it'd be a lot harder to get it out and put the new one in. So that's why I got it up like this. So on the Cobalt's, the top bolt up there, that's an 18. At the bottom is a 21. You can see it, the leverage. Most of the time you'll need it, especially for rear shocks or struts and stuff like that, because they do take a lot of wear and do eat a lot of salt and sand. So it can be hard to take off sometimes. Sometimes the bolts seize. So we'll see if these ones seize or not. Hopefully they don't. Let's give it a shot. Coming from the back, I'm taking them off. There we go. Press it down. I like the extensions. It also helps with leverage, and the extensions, well, that helps also not to scratch the car. Oh, look at that. That came out nice and easy. So here now we got the bottom bolt out. As you can see, it's out. Top bolt is loose. This puppy's gonna come out real easy. Check it out. So here you go. Watch this. Puppy's loose. And the verdict, you see that? Watch that. That's all there is to it, folks. That just comes out like that. Here to show you guys the difference between an old shock and a new shock. Watch this. See here? You press on this puppy, you have to press down pretty hard to get it down, right? Okay, so when you're doing the old shock, check this out. Look at that. And you can hear the grinding in there. Listen. This puppy sucks, check it out. It's brutal. Look, again. This one here takes an extended amount, extra amount of force to get that down. So that's why I was doing the shocks on. It's not to put it back in really easy. Again, the other side was butter, just like this one here. So just put that in there. I'm just one guy holding the camera, so I have to stop this from time to time to show you guys. Watch this. This is my little trick here. I put this in, it goes in real easy. Just push up on the shock. There you have it. Simple as that. Now you just gotta tighten it. So I'm a huge fan on torquing my bolts down, and so that's what we're gonna do here. The rear shocks. I think it's important because if you go too tight, you might damage the structure that the bolt goes in. I'll torque the top bolt at 70. The bottom one is an 89. The thing too is you don't want to snap it. Look at the other side, it's got a brace, right? So if you go too tight, you can actually end up snapping that brace right off the bracket. You hear that click? That's nice, huh? I know there's some people out there that like to put the bolts into the socket and then spin it on with the ratchet right away. And what that does, sometimes it leads to you stripping the shit. So here you go, you see that? Look how easy that shit is. Put on by hand, bro. You put that on there nicely like that, your chances of stripping them are slim and none. So we're gonna get the wheels torqued down. We're gonna click.